Hello everyone. Today's lesson we are going to talk about questions and question words. Word starting with WH. You will learn to distinguish the use of question words for forming a question. We use question words to form questions and ask for specific information. Look at the following. What did you want? I want a cup of coffee. Who is he? He is John. In these questions, what and who are question words. To use the question word who, we ask about people. 你用嚟問邊個人? For example, who is that girl? She is my sister. The question word whose. We ask who something belongs to. It replaces people's. Whose 呢係用嚟問屬於邊個嘅. Take this example. Whose ball is that? It's Peter's. It's Peter's ball. The question word what. We ask about things. What 呢係用嚟問乜嘢嘢嚟㗎? So look at this. What is this? It's a ball. What does he do? He's a doctor. What color is your car? It's red. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. The question word which. We ask about a choice. Which 呢個字呢係要嚟問邊一個選擇. For example, which dress do you like? The green or the red one? The green one. The question word where. We ask about places. Where do you live? In Rome. The question word when. We ask about time. When 呢個字我嚟問幾時嘅. For example, when is he coming? On Monday. Question word why. We ask about the reason why something happens. Why 呢個字呢係用嚟問點解嘅. Look at this. Why is the baby crying? Because he is hungry. Question word how. We ask about the way in which something happens. How 呢係要嚟問一樣嘢點樣發生嘅. For example, how do you go to school? By bus. How are you? I am fine. 接落嚟呢係會教 what 同埋 which 嘅分別喎. 你可唔可以講出以下兩句含義有何分別呢? What book do you buy? Which book do you buy? Book A or Book B? What plus now. We use this pattern, what plus now, to ask a question with indefinite answers. What 呢係愛嚟問預期有不定嘅答案嘅. For example, what snacks do you like to eat? What pens are suitable for writing on this kind of paper? Which plus now. We use this pattern to ask a question with definite choices. Which 呢係要嚟問預期有指定選擇嘅答案嘅. For example, which one do you prefer? the blue one or the red one. So you have two choices, two definite choices. Which student is the best in this class? Can you tell the difference between these two questions? 你講唔講得出呢兩個問題嘅含義有咩分別呢？ First one is who saw you? Second one is who did you see? Look at this sentence. Susan saw Paul. If you ask who saw Paul, it means somebody saw Paul and you want to know who she is. The answer is Susan saw him. So who is the subject, Paul is the object. 如果你問 who saw Paul， 意思即係話你想知道究竟邊個睇到 Paul 呢？答案就係 Susan。 Now, if you ask who did Susan see, it means Susan saw somebody and she saw Paul. Here, who is the object and Susan is the subject. 如果你問 who did Susan see， 你意思一定係問究竟 Susan 見到邊個呢？佢見到 Paul。 Another example. Who likes Superman? The answer is his fans. But if you ask who does Superman like? The answer is his girlfriend, Lois Lane. Superman likes his girlfriend. Exercise time. The following is a health survey. Read the responses and construct the corresponding questions using the appropriate question words from the list below. One has been done for you as an example. Stop the video while you do the exercise, and when you're finished, resume play, and the answers will be displayed for you. Here are the answers for the exercise. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye.